Did you know some cats can grow as big as medium-sized dogs? Today, we're diving into the world of the largest cat breeds in the world, from gentle giant to powerful hunters. These cats will absolutely blow your mind. Welcome back to Pet World. If you love cats, you're going to enjoy this one. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 largest cat breeds in the world, their personalities, and why people love them so much. Before we start, please my friend, your support will really help our channel. If you really like these type of videos, like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. If you're ready, let's go. Number 1. Maine Coon, the king of big cats. Maine Coons can weigh up to 18 pounds and sometimes even more. It's amazing. They are playful, affectionate, and known as the gentle giants of the cat world. Number 2. Savannah cat, half domestic cat and half wild Savannah. Tall, sleek, and athletic, Savannah cats are one of the most exotic and striking breeds you'll ever see. Number 3. Ragdoll, famous for their calm nature. Ragdolls are also impressively large. Number 4. Norwegian forest cat, built for cold climate with a thick coat and powerful body. These cats are muscular, fluffy, and full of personality. Number 5. Siberian cat, strong, fluffy, and affectionate. Siberian cats are not just big, they're also hypoallergenic for some people. Again, my friend, if you like these type of videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Number 6. Josie, an adventure hybrid breed developed from wild cats. They are athletic, slim, but still impressively large. Number 7. British short hair, round faces, heavy and charming. The British short hair can weigh up to 17 pounds, and their plush coat makes them look even bigger. Number 8. Turkish One, known as the swimming cat. Turkish Wans are large, strong, and surprisingly athletic. Number 9. American Bobtail, don't let the short tail fool you. These cats are muscular and large. And finally, the last one. Number 10. Bengal cat. Last but not least, the Bengal cat, muscular, exotic, and covered in leopard-like spots. They are active, playful, and one of the largest domestic cat breeds. Which of these giant cats would you love to have in your home? Personally, I think Maine Coons are the ultimate fluffy giants. Don't forget to drop your favorite in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing pet videos.